Hi everyone, we are back again with Bhumi March release, and trust me, this one is actually interesting. I hope you guys like our February release breakdown, but this time we are not just talking, we are actually showing demos wherever possible. So, no boring updates, just real useful stuff for developers. Let's get into it. Starting with platform updates. Bhumi introduced an event notification API, which means your system can now get automatic alerts. You can now migrate Google Cloud Secrets directly from UI. And there is an Okta migration with MFA for better securities. Overall, more automation, better security, less manual work for the developers. Now, coming to one of the exciting part, AI updates. Bhumi has updated the agent designer with model selection, fast versus standard, and something really cool, extended thinking, which basically means your AI agent can now think deeper before responding. Also, the data detection agent is now officially live. So, now developer get more control over AI behavior, whether you want speed or intelligence. Alright, now let's talk about the main highlight, connectors, and we'll also show what these changes look like here. First, name changes. Bhumi Atmosphere API changed to Bhumi Platform API. Database V2 changed to Database Connectors. Simple renames but more cleaner and more standard. Second, Database Connector improvements. Faster query execution work better across Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, and PostgreSQL. More stable for large data processing. Third, NetSuite connectors support new version 2025.1 and 2025.2. Old version removed. Better reliability in authentication, transactions, and error handling. Fourth is REST client connectors. New logs API URL plus action names. This make debugging much easier. Fifth is Slack connectors. New file upload system using Slack latest API, which makes it more suitable and future-proof. 6 is Snowflake connectors. Handle missing file better, improve performance for large data, 1000 plus records. No more slowdown in the big data processing. 7. Microsoft Dynamics 365 connectors added JWT authentication with certificate support. More secure login using Azure Entra. This is where Bhumi is really getting stronger. And lastly, let's talk about Bhumi Labs. There are two key updates, a better install and edit wizard, and now you can add API services directly into bundles. This is super useful when you are packaging and sharing integrations. And that's it for the March 2026 Bhumi release. Now go update your integration before they update themselves. Drop a comment which updates save the most headache. See you in the next release, hopefully with fewer bugs.